So in today's video, we will conduct a fun-based experiment with our children. Through this, they will learn about unique properties of different objects, like they will observe if some objects can roll or can they slide. This hands-on activity will spark their curiosity. It will help them build concepts, make predictions, and also contribute to their cognitive development. So for this activity, you will need some large pieces of cardboard, tape, scissors to create a slide. You can also collect various items from around you that can either roll or slide, such as spoon, ball, rubber, pencil, paper, wheel, bangle or bottle. So come, let's see how we can engage our children in this activity. So as you can see here, the facilitator begins by introducing children the activity they are going to perform and what they will learn about, like which objects will roll, which objects will slide. She shows them a slide made of cardboard and displays a variety of objects near her, such as ball, paper boat, a spoon. She also gives them one object to one child and instructs them to release it to the side, asking everyone to observe what happens next. One child releases a ball and another releases a paper boat. On being asked what rolls, what slides, the children answer correctly that the ball rolls and the boat slides. They could even answer that the ball rolls first, but when the facilitator asked the reason for the ball to roll and the boat to slide, the children couldn't answer. The facilitator explains that the ball rolls because it is round, while the paper boat slides because it has a flat base. The children continue their activity with other objects. If a cylindrical toy is placed flat, it will slide, but if it is held upright, it will roll down. The children enjoy experimenting with different objects and observing their movements. To make the activity more challenging, you can help the children understand the concept of whether objects roll or slide by experimenting with different forms. To increase the challenge, you can ask them to adjust the height of the slide, as this will encourage them to observe and explore how the height affects the movement of the object. We will meet again soon with a new video.